Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we are going to be working on the Golden Ladies, and I got this from NewCraftDay last month. So we are going to be working right in here in that, can't see it for the, let me use my other hand, this I don't know, table that that little potted plant is sitting on. And the color that I'm using is 3787. Get that out of the freeway and get you organized. I do have my little needle minder that is the corner of a Chinese or Asian building. I thought that might be what the building would look like that all these women are sitting in. Sorry, I needed a little bit of a drink before we start. Yeah. And this color is kind of a greenish gray, if you will. But yes, very nice. And I thought I'd start over here so we wouldn't have to stop and start and that kind of thing. So, how's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great day, all ready for the weekend again. Yeah, unbelievable, right? Oh my goodness, it'll be March tomorrow. Yeah, outrageous. Don't forget our March Saturday stitching. That'll be at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA. So, join me then, and the theme is going to be green. I guess technically this would be a green, right? Oh, goodness. Reminds me of a khaki color. Is that, no, that's not the right word. Like, oh dear. Camouflage green, if you will. Yeah. So, I've been working on this a little bit. I started working down on the side there, and a little bit, putting a little bit more into that fan over there. I just couldn't decide really where I wanted to work today. So, yeah. Fun times. And yesterday I worked on the one that I got with all the Peter Rabbit motifs in it. I about got one of the Peter Rabbits done. About 2/3 of it maybe done. Yeah. I just absolutely love that picture. I found it in one of my bags of tricks. So I thought, why not? Haven't stitched on it for a while. So, yeah, I did that for maybe at least 2, maybe 3 hours. Just sat in my rocking chair and looked out at the lovely blue sky. It was just a stunning day yesterday. Just absolutely stunning. No wind. I almost thought about sitting out on the porch and doing a video, but yeah, I'd have to dig out the chair and everything that I sit in. So that didn't happen. But it was just absolutely lovely. Did go out to the grocery store and got a roast and some carrots, potatoes, onion, you know, the stuff that goes with roast. Put that in the crock pot. So today I get to make beef and noodles. Oh yeah, gotta have some of that. Here it's supposed to get cold this coming up week, so we'll see. You know, I'm not real sure what they mean by cold. So, haven't been working on the big ones lately. For maybe the past 2 or 3 days. Did work on the dragon boat earlier this week. But I don't know what I did to my wrist. I don't know if I carried something wrong or banged into something, but yeah, this hand right here is it. If I get it into a position, it doesn't feel real well. It just kind of gives me a little twinge and I quit. So trying to hold on to this material sometimes is a bit of a challenge. But I thought I could do this today because it's so close to the edge. I don't have to hang on to so much. So, and it's not bothering me yet so far, so we'll just kind of go with it. No grandiose plans to do anything this weekend or anything like that. Of course, it might be okay. But nothing that I know of. Do have to go out today and pay the rent and get that all taken care of. So we're set for the next month. And I don't rent this house. I own this house, so I pay the lot rent here. So, which is fine with me. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, let's see if we can get this done. Hang on, I gotta get rid of that needle. Get that thread out of there, because you know how it loves to pull up through when you're stitching on a different, whoop, you knew I had to hit that, a different part. So, we'll just get it out of the way. This is very nice and very easy to stitch on. I just haven't had it out lately since the big reorganization last weekend. What is everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something fun, something nice that you, whoops, didn't pull it far enough, that y'all like to do. I almost got out Watertown Memory today, but yeah, I decided I'd get this out and stitch on it for a hot moment. Get a hold of it. So I have no idea what else I'll be stitching on. I might stitch on this the rest of the day. Who knows? I didn't get to the thrift store yesterday. I was out too early because I wanted to get home, you know, in fair enough time to, what do you call it? To put that roast in the crock pot because I knew that's going to take several hours. It usually does. It's about 6:30 by the time I got ready to eat, so that wasn't too late. But it was delightful. And I'm not sure what else I'll have planned to cook this weekend. Just, I don't know, nothing's just jumping out, you know. By this time of the winter, I get tired of it, a little bit of everything. So, it's just maybe this, maybe that. So, we'll see. But no grandiose plans. I try not to make too many plans. Sometimes plans just don't work for me. Because if my daughter and I plan to go out in the woods, let's say next Thursday, it'll either snow or rain or the wind will be blowing. So you just kind of go spur of the moment around here. So, which is not usually a big deal. We don't have any regimented parts of our lives other than pick up the kids from school, you know. My daughter was putting insulation in her little work shed. So she's got part of that done. She keeps working on it little by little by little. So we'll see. I thought this looked like almost a doable area. I do have to run down along the side here. As you can see, there's more of it. But other than that, the symbols are very, very easy to see. I do like that part. Come on. Anybody got any plans to go anywhere this weekend? Do anything fun? I'm just waiting for the next big snowfall. I know it should happen in March, but we'll see. February was unprecedented for having way too warm of weather for where I'm at. So we'll see, but I've liked it. It's kind of nice. It was kind of hard to get used to it being a little bit colder on, was that Wednesday? Yeah. That was special. It was about 28 degrees when I left on Wednesday night, so we'll see. I'm ready to go get some fresh air and walk around outside. You know, up in the mountains, though. Go collect some more useless rocks that I've got 10,000 that look just alike. And like I said, some places you just can't get to yet because there's still snow hanging fire here and there, just even a little bit higher. There's none left in town, of course, but yeah. We don't need to be walking around on snow and ice and that kind of thing. Because, yeah, neither one of us do. Because if one of us falls, the other one certainly cannot pick the other one up. It's fun. I told my daughter sooner or later we'll both be out here with walkers, trying to walk around. See, it looks almost, I mean, in person, it looks green more so than gray. That out of the way. Yeah, very nice. Oop, I gotta pull you out. So, I'll continue on. There's some more of it over in here, and a little bit more, like, oops, you can't see that, so sorry. Underneath that fan that I'm desperately trying to get done. And then maybe I can start on one of her dresses or something. She's sitting right there. Oh, maybe it's a ribbon that's going to come across there. But I got all this lovely wood, like gnarled wood behind her. I think that'll be interesting to stitch as well. Alright guys, Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.